So let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath now. And just let your body relax. Let go of any tensions that you might be carrying around that you're not aware of. If you brought in a problem with you, let's put it to the side. Put it to the side. We're not interested in bringing problems into the meditation. We're interested in seeking the solution, the answer. We're interested in becoming conscious of that presence and activity of God expressing in and as us. So let's put all that aside. We can pick it back up later if we want to. And let's just focus now on relaxation, relaxing the body, letting go. And we become aware of the feet, the legs, and we just send the message, relax, relax. We allow our abdomen and stomach to relax. We relax the hands, the arms, and the shoulders. Relax the back, the upper, the middle, the lower back. Relax the chest. Send the message, relax, relax, and scan your body. See if you can sense the muscles letting go. Relax the front of your neck, the back of the neck, the sides. Become aware of the muscles in your jaw. Relax your jaw. Your face, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your lips, your tongue, your scalp, your forehead. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. This is your body temple. You are not your body. You live in this body. It's a temple. It's a wonderful vehicle. And so now we put the body aside as we start to quiet the mind. As your mind becomes still, and again, you're not the mind. You're not your thoughts. You're not your emotions. You have thoughts. You have emotions. You are the observer. You are the witness. You are consciousness. You are God being you. And you can quiet your mind. You can focus your mind. And as you quiet your mind and focus your mind, you start to tune into your true nature as a spiritual being, created in the image of God. You are God being God as you. So scan your body again and see, is there still any place where you're holding on? You might want to just gently tense and relax that part of your body. Relax, relax, relax. Let go. Your true essence is spirit. Your true essence is God. Your true essence is joy. And as your mind becomes still, you begin to get a glimpse of that essence. I invite you to just enjoy being in the stillness, in the quiet. Opening up to your essence. If you want to hold an idea in your mind, you could hold the idea, I am joy. I am joy. And then listen. Wait for the Spirit within you, expressing as you. Wait to experience that in the quiet. One of the joys of springtime is seeing the buds of the flowers opening up. Do you have a favorite flower? I love the daffodils. Imagine you have your favorite flower right in the center of your being. Feel that the sun is shining down, warming your whole body and being, and shining on that little bud, and see that bud opening up its petals, radiant. Feel that that flower is smiling inside of you, in your heart. Feel the joy of that joyous flower radiating from inside of you. Smiling joy throughout your whole body and being. Just like that flower, you too are part of God's creation, an expression of God's creation. Like that flower that is content being a flower, joyful, expressing itself. You too are an expression of joy. Let your light, let your joy shine. And we bring to mind our friends and family, and we bring to mind all people everywhere on the planet, and we acknowledge that each one is an expression of joy. That's their true nature. And so we sense and see everyone radiating the joy of their presence, the joy of their mystical essence. And in some mystical way, we contribute to the unfolding of that joy and that happiness on our planet. And let us bring our awareness now back to the room where we are, back to our physical bodies, moving toes, moving fingers. And now realizing that this time that we spent in the quiet, we can now allow and let this presence flow through us, trusting the activity of God working, unfolding, expressing through our thoughts, words, feelings, actions, and seek to stay in tune as much as we can. Let us just feel grateful now. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.